Welcome to Big Sensor Cloud Infrastructure. Sense the world right away. This is a demonstration of a working prototype of Big Sensor Cloud Infrastructure. Now, Big Sensor Cloud is a unique sensor data storage, visualization, and remote management platform that leverages powerful cloud computing technologies to provide excellent data scalability, visualization, and user programmable analysis. The basics of the prototype is presented initially. We have a set of heterogeneous sensor nodes in terms of their hardware. These nodes communicate with one or more gateway nodes or base stations as commonly addressed. And we connect the base station to our repository server. Now we move on to the client cloud interface of Big Sensor Cloud Infrastructure. Having talked about the setup, we now illustrate the working of the prototype. A registered user is aware of the functionality login. Here we already make a registered user who is allowed to log into the system and get connected to Big Sensor Cloud Infrastructure. So as the login ID and the password is provided, the user logs in. As the user logs in, a virtual machine is created on behalf of the user at the cloud end. However, for connection and usage of the virtual machine, the user is advised to download a private key, which is the first step towards security maintenance of Big Sensor Cloud Infrastructure. Having created a virtual machine on behalf of the user is given a template to specify his requirements in the form of a high-level demand. So we assumed that in this case the user is interested in maybe environment monitoring of maybe Swan Lab and Project Lab. Once he puts in his requirements in the templates, he submits it. Based on the requirements as specified in the templates, a set of physical sensors are allocated at the network end. These set of sensors, they form a virtual sensor. Now actually start the streaming of data. It is the real-time streaming of data from Swan Lab and Project Lab, reporting the user of the environmental conditions of the lab. So once the user clicks the data streaming part, here is the list of virtual sensors that the user is interested in. For our case, it is a single virtual sensor that the user has currently shown his interest. And here, the readings of the temperature have been recorded. The user can also enjoy customized querying on the readings by clicking this button. Here, the user can actually get results of his queries as customized to his needs. Say let the user is interested in the temperature sensor. Here lies the beauty of Big Sensor Cloud Infrastructure, where the user is actually served with information of his customized queries in no time or in real time, where he actually receives the sensor data, which is quite huge, and it continues. Or he can actually check out the battery life.
Hello everybody, welcome to the online VoIP call authentication system. This system can enroll and verify a caller as and when a VoIP call is in progress. The system can be effectively used for verification of the identity of a caller in the remote end over internet. Now we will give you a short demonstration of the system, which will include enrollment of a remote VoIP caller followed by caller verification.
The Relativity of Wrong by Isaac Asimov. I received a letter the other day.
A
It was
conversation is
handwritten
going
in
on
crabbed
through a Skype call.
penmanship so that
Here it
was
should be
very
mentioned that
difficult to read.
though the present
Nevertheless,
prototype has
I
been
tried to
developed for
make it
Skype,
out
it
just
can be
in
easily
case it
integrated
might
with
prove
other
to be
VoIP
important.
softwares as
In
well.
the first sentence, the writer told me, in one of my innumerable essays, I had expressed a certain gladness at living in a century in which we finally got the basis of the universe straight. I didn't go into detail in the
This is the server machine where online VoIP call authentication system is installed. If the person at the other end is a new caller calling for the first time, his or her voice needs to be registered into the system. This registration process is in progress now. In case of a conversation, the system can separate the voice of the person at the other end and record it. One can also check the status of the current call here. The status shows the call initiation time, the call duration, and the caller's identity information. In order to create an efficient speaker model or a voice signature, we need at least 2 minutes of speech. Now, as the call ends and the register caller button is clicked, training of the caller's voice takes place and a voice signature is generated corresponding to this caller ID. When the training is complete, the system shows a message that caller is successfully registered. Next time onwards, whenever a call happens from this ID, the voice of the caller will be tested against this voice signature. Now we will be testing the system for an imposter caller.
New eavesdropping technology could allow government agency to silently record
We can see that a
conversations
different person
on
is speaking from the
internet
same caller
services
ID.
like Skype. Until now, so-called voice over internet protocol VoIP services have been difficult to tap into because on the way.
The call is in progress. Click to verify button is clicked. The result shows imposter caller. The operator can continuously monitor whether the speaker is genuine or imposter.
a patent for a legal intercept technology, he said.
Now the
would
genuine
help
person holding this ID is speaking.
silently record VoIP communications. Dennis Chan, president of VoIP PAL, a chat service in
Again, click to verify button is clicked. This time it shows genuine caller. The confidence level is related to the degree of similarity between the trained speech and the test speech.
The expansion of 4G mobile networks, which can carry
Once
large
again,
amount
the
of
imposter
data,
caller is
have
speaking.
made it easier than ever for people to make cheap VoIP calls almost anywhere, and the number of mobile users of such service.
Click to verify button is clicked. And again the system shows imposter caller. This system can be used to enhance security during a telephonic interview or a teleconference. Thank you.